Hello friends, uh, welcome to our channel TechPacks. You can visit us at www.techpacks.com. Today the topic that I am covering is basically the PAPR reduction technique. Might be you have listened it a number of times, but still, as the wireless communication is basically based on the OFDM system, so the PAPR reduction methodology is very much popular for the researchers. Daily a number of techniques are being proposed. So the technique that we are focusing today is basically the active consolidation extension based technique, which is also called as ACE technology. So what we have implemented it in the MATLAB and analyze the results on the basis of varying u. Also we have implemented the paper for the basic one. As you can see, this is with the PAPR reduction technique, in which the active consolidation extension and subcarrier grouping is being done. So by considering this particular model, we have implemented the firstly implemented the paper, later done the modification in this also, and shown the result, right? So the results are basically in such case only, as the same case if we will consider, then only we can defend that our technique is much better, right? So let's have a look what exactly we have implemented. So you can see we have both the codes with the paper code and with the main thesis topic, right? So I'm running the main thesis named file only, because this is for the research purpose, for the thesis purpose. That's why I given this name, that the main thesis file. When I'm going to run this code, it will process the code and also get the results from the paper module and done the comparison, where the PAPR reduction is being shown by the proposed technique by the ACE technology hybridization. So you can see the bit error rate performance by varying u, the PAPR reduction with respect to, as you can see, by varying the original PAPR was around 9.5, but the proposed that we have achieved is nearly 7 point something. So with the A scheme only, right? So the proposed model that we have implemented, that is giving around 5.2 PAPR. So the PAPR reduction technique is basically reducing peak average to power ratio in the OFDM system, so the signal can be transmitted to the receiver end with the less bit error rate, and as much the bit error will be less, that much signal strength will be more and signal will be more refined. So this is the main objective for the wireless communication. So the students from electronics, from the CSC background, they can go for this topic, and even different techniques can be analyzed. For the PhD purpose, might be they are thinking that this is not for us, but these days the PAPR reduction technique with the artificial intelligence, with the soft computing techniques, which is very much popular. Even for the 5G systems, the PAPR reductions are still attaining the interest by the researchers. So I hope those who want to go for the core communication system, they can adopt such topic and can do their research. So I hope you people like this video. For more information, feel free to contact us. You can directly contact us by the contact numbers given below, or you can visit us at www.techpacks.com. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.